Welcome. In today's world, a brilliant idea it's only the beginning. The real challenge, hmm, the real challenge lies in transforming that spark of imagination into a tangible reality. So, how do you bridge that vast gap between a concept on a whiteboard and, well, a physical product in your hands? This is the challenge Passion 3D World was created to solve. We are more than a manufacturer. We are your one-stop innovation and manufacturing ecosystem. Our mission is to empower creators, entrepreneurs, and established industries by providing a seamless, integrated pathway from dream to delivery. We operate on a simple yet powerful four-stage principle: dream, design, develop, and deliver. To make this possible, we've built a really comprehensive portfolio of core services, all under one roof. Whether you need rapid prototyping through advanced 3D printing, precision parts from CNC machining, custom electronics with our end-to-end PCB services, or even intricate designs via laser cutting, we have the tools and the expertise. We support the entire product journey, from initial DIY product design and educational robotics kits all the way to full-scale bulk manufacturing. Let's begin with our foundational manufacturing technologies. In 3D printing and CNC, we offer a vast range of materials. Everything from familiar plastics like PLA and ABS to robust engineering-grade nylon and high-detail resins. Our machines handle everything with incredible precision, and this versatility, it allows us to serve a diverse range of applications. We create rapid prototypes that accelerate product development, fully functional parts for rigorous engineering validation, and custom jigs and fixtures to streamline our clients' own manufacturing lines. Our portfolio truly brings these capabilities to life, showcasing everything from durable IoT device enclosures and complex robotics chassis to, functional gear systems and beautifully finished presentation-ready models. And we deliver with speed. We can begin manufacturing in just a few hours and ensure dispatch within 48 hours for priority projects. Of course, a modern product is more than just its physical form. It needs a brain. Our PCB design services provide precisely that. We manage the entire electronics workflow, from initial schematic capture and multi-layer layout to ensuring the design is perfectly optimized for both manufacturing and testing. We are fluent in the platforms that drive today's technology, including Arduino, ESP32, and Raspberry Pi. Our fabrication process for these electronics is, it's meticulous. Following a disciplined six-step plan from initial design review to final secure packing, we ensure every single board meets the highest global standards. To achieve this, we employ a multi-stage quality assurance protocol featuring automated optical inspections and full electrical testing. This rigorous process allows us to achieve a first-pass yield of 99.8% and guarantees every component functions exactly as intended. Our commitment to standards like ISO 9001 and RoHS is absolute. Complementing these services is our precision laser cutting and engraving. This technology, it offers clean, accurate fabrication for a variety of materials, like acrylic, wood, and leather. We've produced everything from sleek, illuminated signage and industrial control panels to custom awards and artistic decor, always optimizing for material efficiency and a flawless finish. We are especially passionate about empowering the next wave of innovators. Our 9-step DIY product design process serves as a structured roadmap, expertly guiding creators from that initial spark of an idea all the way to a successful market launch. We cover every critical milestone: CAD design, electronic selection, firmware development, and even consumer-facing packaging design. Our case studies prove the power of this partnership, having brought to life an award-winning modular STEM sensor kit for education, a cost-effective mini rover bot, and a UL-compliant smart home relay. And this dedication to education and accessibility extends to our curated robotics kits and components. We've developed a tiered learning system for all skill levels, from starter bots for beginners to advanced Wi-Fi rovers and 4 degree of freedom robotic arms for aspiring engineers. And we back our hardware with comprehensive training programs, offering hands-on workshops and full institutional lab setup services, complete with curriculum and dedicated technical support. Okay, so once a product is perfected, it's time to scale. Our bulk manufacturing capabilities are built for this critical moment. With an integrated 3D print farm, a high-speed PCB assembly line, and an automated laser shop, we can produce hundreds or even thousands of units daily. Our industrial-grade workflow is founded on efficiency and reliability, featuring statistical process control and a final quality audit that ensures a defect rate of less than 0.5% and an on-time delivery rate of 99%. Fueling this entire ecosystem is our extensive electronics component supply. We maintain a vast, ready-to-ship inventory of the microcontrollers, sensors, motors, and connectivity modules that power modern technology. Our deep expertise in the Arduino and ESP32 ecosystems means we can provide the exact hardware needed for any IoT or robotics project, dramatically shortening our clients' development cycles. We're proud. Our success stories showcase our ability to deliver with excellence across the board. Whether it's a complex consumer tech prototype developed in just 5 days, or a complete robotics lab established for a university in just a single week, our customer workflow is engineered for clarity, security, and partnership. From the initial inquiry under a strict non-disclosure agreement through a free design for manufacturing analysis, pilot production runs, and final QA, we keep you informed and in control at every stage. To support this, we offer transparent and flexible pricing packages with tiers designed for everyone from students and hobbyists to startups and large industrial clients. So, why choose Passion 3D World? Because we offer an affordable end-to-end solution that combines speed, precision, and a deep well of technical expertise. We don't just manufacture your product, we partner with you to scale, innovate, and succeed. We are proud to be the manufacturing backbone for leading schools, startup incubators, industrial R&D labs, and robotics research teams, helping them forge the future. Your journey from idea to impact starts here. We are Passion 3D World, your one-stop innovation and manufacturing ecosystem. We believe that we don't just build products, we build future innovators. Connect with us at passion3dworld.com to explore our full capabilities and begin your project today. Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about. What idea have you been holding on to? And what is the first small step you could take right now to begin making it a tangible reality?